This video is part of the 5 for 5 series created by the Early Learning Coalition of Hillsborough County. In these videos, we share different activities you could do with your child 5 minutes or more per day to practice skills or concepts from different key developmental areas. This series focuses specifically on summertime activities. Splash into summer fun with us!
Hello everyone, my name is Natalie and I will be talking about STEM. Usually when we think about the summer, we always think about sunny days and also the beach, the pool, or some type of place where we can splash into water because it's very, very hot. Well, STEAM talks about water and how we can use water to actually have fun with it and learn more about chemistry and also the basic principles of physics and biology. All of these activities are very easy to do and only require basic items that you probably already have at home. Whether it's a sunny day or a rainy day, these are some amazing experiments that you can try today. STEAM sounds a bit complicated, but it isn't. Once you understand how science, technology, engineering, and math mingle with each other, you can see how it applies to many activities your children already love and do every day. As you can see in the slide, here we have a couple of experiments that you can conduct. Thinking about STEAM during the summer offers us an opportunity to activate your child's highest order thinking skills. Why? Because it promotes different experiments that they can do with your help or some they can do by themselves. Here are a few examples of how you can connect this terminology with the action. Water, as you know, is all around us, inside our bodies, and therefore it provides a wonderful opportunity to get curious about it. For example, we can talk about temperature between water that is hot and cold, or room temperature even. Science plays a very big part because it reminds us of the rain and also the oceans and the rivers. When we think about technology and math, imagine measuring how many drops does it take to fill a coin using a dropper, and that will be technology. Or why do some items sink or float on a pool day? All of these things talk about how STEM is used on a daily basis. In the very next slides is a wonderful opportunity to unlock your kids' curiosity and spark their inner inventor. Here are some other visual examples of how you can use STEAM on the summertime. In the very first picture, as you can see, we can mix water with oil and we can add some food coloring drops to experience the water's reaction to oil. It creates bubbles. Isn't that cool? In the second picture, we can find different containers from our kitchen. Plastic will be recommended or something that maybe later on you might throw away for easy cleaning, and fill them with the same quantity of water. Then we can add different color to each container. It could be for coloring, which is safe for children, little and also bigger children. And what would happen to the water in the different containers? Well, the water adapts. In the third picture, we can use as many colors as you prefer. Place a piece of tissue or paper towel to see how the water connects and creates a river of color. Remember, you can also talk about mixing colors. For example, blue and yellow makes green. Who knew? In the fourth picture, simply place a piece of ice and allow some time for the sun to melt it. Usually we are outside during the summer, so this will be a very exciting thing to do with the children. What will happen to the water? It went from a solid to a liquid, just like we sweat and our body sweats in a hot summer day under the sun. In the last picture, I bet your children love candy. Well, here's another idea for you. Drop a couple of skillets on water and watch what happens. Then once the skillets turn white, talk about dye and how it's used to add color to either our clothing or also our food that we eat every day. Blowing bubbles is a classic pastime and fun activity for children of all ages. One of my favorites for sure. But how are they made? Why are they round? You can blow bubbles with any mixture of soap and water. But wait, if you add a little secret ingredient, you will get bigger and stronger homemade bubbles. Here we have a video of Martha's son conducting this beautiful experiment. Even the dog was excited. Oh no, am I going to get wet? Let's take a look at the video.
Yeah.
Well, those are some ideas that many of you can use and incorporate with them on the summer days. Have fun splashing in the sun.